Ever wonder what's really in your mattress? Well, I'm here to tell you. This is Mindy from Orange Mattress in Clark, New Jersey, and I'm here to explain what's really inside your mattresses. So if you're going for a hybrid mattress, which most people do, it means more than one material, or more than one ingredient. So that's usually considered a spring and foam. That's it, a spring and foam. So you can get this in a firm or a medium. You can get it single-sided or double-sided that we have here. Or you can go for a memory foam mattress, which is a piece of visco foam on top of high-density foam. They also come in firm or soft, whatever you like. Another natural option would be a latex mattress. This is a piece of latex natural foam rubber, which has holes for breathing and flexibility. Some companies will give you 1 or 2 inches of the latex glued to synthetic foam and let you think it's a natural mattress. Others will give you a full latex mattress with no synthetic foams. You got to be careful. Then we also have the natural option of cotton and horsehair. This is layered on springs as well. They're typically firm mattresses. Those are double-sided and they are tufted, so the materials do not move around. If you have any questions, give us a ring, stop down and visit. We have all of them. If you just want to come and try them and hang out, we're happy to see you. Have a great day. Thank you.